Hello everyone, it's Gigo here and welcome back to the Beach House project where in our previous episode we started with the plastering work and also FO was taking us through having a little tour of the beach house. So we are going to continue from where we stopped in our previous video. So I will hand it over to FO to take us through.
So because of the sea breaks, this one we use the galvanized pipe, for the frames, but the frames there is the wooden one. So we are using we are going to the old type, the sliding glass, the old one, the louvers. We are going to the louver side. That's what we do the wood, and then we put the galvanized pipe inside because of the sea breaks, There you can see, maybe you ask me, why is it that this pipe is here? This pipe, because of the roofing, we give the roofing or the rain gutter. So we don't want to waste the water because of the way now we are suffering with the water issue. So the roofing water, our engineer, it diverts all the roofing, the water from the roofing straight past ground and straight to our manhole. So this is our manhole that engineer did. So like this manhole like this, you can even park any of your car because the way the engineer do this particular tank is different. This tank you are seeing it here, something like mansion, something like mansion. About last 3 months we have a water problem in our area. This is where the whole town used to come and fetch them our water. So this one, you can park any of your car because of the way engineer did it. You see this one is not up. You can even do your filling everything for top because it's flat. But it go down almost 12 feet. Go down. So you can see inside too. Still we have water inside. Still we have water inside. So this one is 12 feet. This one you go down 12 feet. So now if the rain starts, we don't have a problem with water again. Any water that will pour on the roofing sheet, just straight come to the tank for us. So now our engineer he has done with the, how do you call it, the plastering. We finished the plastering everything. So now he left the door that I will come and fix the doors. The door too, I have it already. So this is where I pack them. We bought the door already. So only say I have to find the time I come, then I will come and fix the door so that they can even start using here small small. So we left here. I will do some ceiling here, but it's a design. So I'm waiting for my engineer to come so that he give me that design that so we supposed to put here. That is why we didn't knock any 2 by 2, or we didn't do a ceiling here. But they do the plastering go high. So after this, we'll knock the ceiling edges on the top of the plastering. But that one too is not too bad. So we came here to, now we are going to the top now. As you can see, our step, we don't have problem with our step. This one like this, the three of us we can even walk on top camp. The three of us we can even walk on top camp. No stretch. So this is how the top is. So this place is a living room or hall. Yeah. So this is the master bedroom, and then we have another 2 bedroom to here, one right, one left. Even we have another one to here too. You can even pass here. Now we are going to the top, the last floor. So this place like this, we don't want to waste the land. So or the top here, that is how our engineer he bring this idea or he put up this idea that you have to do something like this. So that is why we do this one like this one. So here sir, maybe you can even come here, be here taking some fresh air, not a fresh air sir, you can even hide yourself here small, then you go down. Even you are coming to your poly tank area, you have the door here too. So this is the poly tank place or poly tank area. So this is the pipe for the poly tanks, So if the plumber want to work, he can even have access from the down straight to the top here, doing work, whatever he wanted to do, he finish, then you close the door, then you go back. So that's it. So you see you have seen the inside here. Still here too, we are, engineer have a plan for here too. Yeah, this is the roof now. Yeah, the staircase to the roof. But even this the top of the roof in here, like where I stand right now, sir. Engineer have a plan for here too. So later we'll do something here that maybe you can even be here if like some emergency from the ground you run, you can even come and hide yourself here. So you can see the roofing too. This is our roofing, one of the roofing. But this one we use the slate. We use the slate, so we treat the slate ourselves. But the value gutter and then the ridge cap and then the rain gutter we use the alumi because of the sea breeze,
So this is the hip roof design for you. It was done by Efo himself, and we created, a staircase so that you could get into the roofing itself, right? I mean, it is a hip roof, but most of the hip roofs you see in Ghana, you cannot get into inside of it, right? So after we've done our POP or our ceiling boards, you cannot see through anymore. But then, it's still like a storage place, right? So I mean, we're going to do so many things with this particular project. So that's why you have to follow this project, because most of the things that we will be introducing to this particular project is, I mean, I won't say it is new, it is just the old style of building that, we are adding some modern touches to it. I mean, most of the things which will be used in this place for the finishing is going to be local, right? So we are not looking at the high end or expensive luxurious things. No, we're just going to create something nice, but then it will come out beautiful. So this is one of the projects that you have to pay attention to.
So this one, the one bedroom and the one bedroom. This is the washroom. Yeah, no, here is a three bedroom. We have two here, and then we have one, the master bedroom at the other side. Yeah, this is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. So this is the washroom, the wardrobe, that is the this is the wardrobe. Yeah. So here like this, maybe you are you are in your master bedroom, somebody can visit her or something. You can even watch the person through here down. Before you get closer to the person or before you go down. So that's how engineer let you put this window here. So you are here, you can even watch what your kids are doing over there.
So, for the sake of those that are seeing this project for the first time, this is a five-bedroom house. We have two-bedroom downstairs, and then we have three-bedroom upstairs, and it is close to the beach. That's why we've named it the Beach House Project. So I'll say we are done with the stage two, right? So we have to go to the stage three, which is the finishing part. As Efo said, he has to come and fix the doors. We have to do the windows as well, right? We have to fix the tiling, POP works. So I mean, from now on, you will be seeing colors with the beach house project, right? And the Ibri amount from also the inside plastering is also coming very soon. The Pram Pram project plastering is ongoing, and also I think the family house project also the plastering is also ongoing, and you can see the beautiful view, from the balcony. That's why I always say that let us go to your land, right, before you start with the project or your planning. Let's go to your land. Let's, capture the environment, because positioning of your house is key. Where you position your house is very important. Now, these are some of the things most people don't pay attention to. They don't look at where the wind is coming, and where the sun rises and all of that. But they just see a nice, a house design on the internet, and then they just want it, not paying attention to where they are going to actually put the structure. In some cases, you have a windows, but then it is not in the direction of the wind, and that means that it will cost you money to keep the house cool, right? So let's pay attention to these little details. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.